Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're my subscriber, a very warm welcome to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, this channel is about fashion, luxury, lifestyle and travel. If this interests you, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. So today's video, I am talking about the different things I purchased in the last say 2 to 3 months. From December, I haven't made such a video. I was making this format video, one or two I made before. So I've been just accumulating the things and now I got the chance to make. This is a good time to just clear the stuff so I can use them. I started using a few of the makeup items because I just wanted to try them out. Today's jewelry, I'm wearing fine gold jewelry. This one I purchased about 2 years ago. This is diamonds and this is like a boat in the middle and the waves you can see. So like this. I hope you can see it. I love it actually. It's very dainty and this comes with the chain. It's removable, you can chain the chains. And this is one of my bracelets and my earrings. This has the ruby with the diamonds. So that's it. I just wanted to keep it simple. And my makeup, this is YSL liquid lipstick. So this matches my dress. So this is the one, and as usual I use the Hollywood Flawless filter. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is my foundation. I just love it. I told many times in my videos, this applicator I love without spoiling my fingers. And this I used as a base, like a moisturizer, Sephora hyaluronic acid all day hydrator plus glow. Coming to my perfume, I used YSL Paris. I love this perfume and it gives a very fresh feel. I actually love this. So coming to all the things, I bought some things from Bath and Body. I have some dresses from Debenhams, Mango, Zara, and makeup from MAC, and also I ordered from Boots. So I ordered some things from Boots online and I got this as my New Year gift from Saint Laurent. So I wanted to open it up with you all. I just checked it out before, but I wanted to disclose it in my video. Thank you so much for giving this, Noor. So let's go with the dress. This I purchased recently from Debenhams. This is from the brand Quiz. So this is the pastel kind of dress. I already used it recently for my husband's birthday. So he was wearing the baby pink shirt and I wanted to match a bit, so I used this. And the pastel pink, pastel green, I love the colors, and these are the colors trending for spring summer this year and I really love it. I'll put up a photo of this. I used my Gucci bag with this, which I bought last year, and it exactly is this color. So I just love this dress. Recently I've been to the Saint Laurent boutique here. They opened a new store and they called me for their opening, and I've seen two dresses of the similar material and model, this kind of thing, and this is around 20 KD Kuwaiti dinar. So that goes to around 70 or $80 USD. And in Saint Laurent, I found a similar dress for say 1500 KD and around $5,000. So this I think is a trending model now for spring summer. So let's keep this aside and let's go for this box here. I was looking at some videos in YouTube. One of my favorite YouTubers told that she just loves Cetaphil for her skin, and I think this is the exact one she's talking about, Cetaphil, and this is very good, she says, so I wanted to try it out. Cetaphil acne prone skin moisturizing lotion. It has UV protection also with SPF 30 for oily and sensitive skin. Hydrates for 24 hours. Soothing zinc technology. So this is a non-greasy one. So I don't like greasy lotions for my face. So I wanted to check it out. So she was talking very highly about this. I also ordered a SPF since we'll be going out for vacation now for spring. We are going to Abu Dhabi and I thought I need a good sunscreen. So this is the Sun 50 SPF liposomal solution, very high protection for sensitive skin, extra water resistant and essential vitamin E. So you can use it in your pool and beach every day out in the sun. So they are saying nowadays that everyone, I hear that sunscreen is a must when you go out of your house to protect your skin. So I just ordered this conditioner. I thought it's just cool. I like the fruity type of things, mango and papaya. So let's keep this aside. Now coming to the makeup products, I wanted some eyeliners. I ran out of my black eyeliner. I used this in couple of my videos before, and this is the Glide or Die. I showed you many times before, even today I was using this. This is the Glide or Die MAC Color Excess Gel Pencil. So this is a very nice eyeliner. You should go and check it out if you like gel eyeliners, and it gives a very nice finish, very smooth. It glides on your skin. So I love it. The name is Glide or Die. And the next one I bought is the Kohl pencil, and this is in around gray color. This is a nice gray color, and the name of this is Phone Number. The names are a bit different. I love a nice dark gray eyeliner so for my eyes. This is a lip liner. I wanted a lip liner to match my MAC lipstick. This is Flat Out Fabulous. I use this lipstick a lot. It just suits me and I love it. I feel good in it. So this is Flat Out Fabulous. This is one of my favorite lipsticks and for any time, day, night. So I asked a matching lip liner and she gave me this. The shade of this is magenta and this is like this. So it's kind of like this. For those of you looking for the lip liner for Flat Out Fabulous from MAC, it is the magenta shade which you should be looking at. Coming to Zara, this is a dress which I found in the sale. There was a lot of sale in Zara recently, and this is a beige and khaki kind of color. This is a dress, so it's in the thick material for cold season. I like the colors. Another Zara skirt. This is light banana leaf green color. I love this color and it fits very well. This is cotton and there's a slit here. I love it. I checked it out and I love the fit. Coming to H&M, I got their Paco Rabanne collaboration dress. These dresses were priced very heavily when they launched it in October, November, I think. This is the Rabanne H&M collab, and this is in the animal design, and the fit is very nice. So this is a nice one. I got it at a very good price. So they priced it very high, this collection, and a lot of them were left and they kept it at like 80% discounts. So the original price of this was maybe 80 KD and I got it for like 20. 15, 20 like that. So 80 kd is like $250, $300, and after discount the price came up to say $50. I have something from Mango. Mango is also one of my favorite brands. These are some shoes which I picked up. So this is from Mango, and I wanted to wear it for New Year, but I couldn't. I have to get it resized. Mango does resizing, so I want to go get it. This is like a jumpsuit. I'm excited to wear it. So I got it at a very good price. So originally it was 40 and I got it for 26 in the size L. So I love the color. This green is a trending color, lime green for 2024. I have a similar color shoes. And finally we came to Bath Mahogany Black Cherry Kitchen Mandarin. I love their hand wash also. It's a nice foamy one. So I use this usually in all our bathrooms. Finally, we have come to the exciting unboxing. This is the Saint Laurent bag. It's a very big bag. You might be wondering what is there. And this is the box. I love Saint Laurent black color. It just radiates chicness. And finally, we have the beach towel. The luxurious Saint Laurent beach towel, which was given to me as a Christmas and New Year gift. Made in Paris. This is the blue and white, a very big size. So I'll be using it in the summer. Thank you so much, Saint Laurent. We love beach destinations, and last year we went to Bali. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. It will help me a lot in the YouTube algorithm. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.